What's up, guys? Jason Guyman here with christmaslights.com or christmaslightshelp.com, christmaslights.io, and today I stopped by a friend's business because he is a good friend of mine. He will be on the live. He knows a lot about LinkedIn, a lot about different things, and he wanted some lights on his business here. We got some trees out here, so I'm going to walk through how to quote this stuff, how to look at how to quote it, how to bid it, and so that we can be profitable and that we can make sure that we are making money, because at the end of the day it's about making money. If we're not making money, it does us no good. And so the very first thing we're going to look at is we need to figure out how many feet do we need to have to go across here. So he wants it quoted a couple different ways. He wants it to look amazing. Now, the reason why I was not able to do this online is a couple reasons. One reason, we have all these trees here, so we couldn't see it. But two, I knew that this place was a house. It was just a regular old house 6 months ago. They came in, put this driveway in, done all kinds of things, expanded this whole side of the building. Like I say, this was just a residential house a year ago. I actually knew who lived in this house, and so I actually cleaned the roof of this house. When I cleaned the roof of this house, my ladder fell over and my employee had to pick it up and make sure that I could get back off. So the first thing is we're going to calculate is how many C9s do we need to be able to go from point A all the way to point B. So this roof is pretty simple in the fact that all we really need to do is make sure we could walk it out. We don't need to do anything special. Just walk it across here and we would be fine. Other than this little bit of peak over here, it's going to be a little bit different for this peak. So what I'm going to do is we're going to figure out how many feet we're going to need. Now, I also am going to go up this side here, because when you're looking down here, you will be able to see that there is a lot of being able to see a lot. So we're actually going to go around this piece here, and we're going to go up on the peak here to make sure we do it all. So I'm going to go the easy route, and I'm going to say that this here is probably about 20 feet long, 20 to 25 feet long. So we're going to measure it here by Jason's guesstimation here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my step's about 4 feet, and so this here is about 20 feet, which that's what I said. So if this is 20, I'm going to say that up there is probably 12. So that's going to be 12 and 16. So we got 12, 24, and then 20 here. So we're probably about 24, 44 feet right here. So we're going to say 50 feet right here on just that side there, just so that way I have enough. We're going to say another 20 here, so that's going to give us 70 feet. Another 20, that's going to be another 20, that's going to be 90. Another 20 here, that's going to be 110. We probably got 20 feet around the little thing there, so we're at 110. So we're at 130. This here, I'm going to say, is probably 12 feet, around 12 feet. We'll go 15 just because I'm going to keep it easy math. That's going to give me 145. Here I'm going to say this is probably 30 and 60, 30 and 30, so that's 60. So we have 200 feet of C9 that's going to go along this house. So 200 feet times $8 a foot, that's what the cost of the C9s would be for this house. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do an upsell of a reef right there. I'm going to put a reef right up there on that on there. So that's going to be a 60-inch reef, and so that's going to be $350. So $350, I have 200 feet of C9, which is $8. That's $1,600. We're $1,600 with the wreath, and that's going to be 1,600. With the wreath is 350, so we're at 1,950 just for the house. Now, if you want to, you could do the columns in garland. Those are some really tall garland, really tall stuff, and that's going to take a lot of garland. So with all that garland going up there, you're probably looking at about you're looking at $180 per section. So if that's going to take probably, that would be probably $2,000 worth of garland just right there on the column. So, you know, if they want that, that's fine, but that's going to cost a lot of money at the end of the day. So the next thing is, we got 200 feet of C9, a reef. We could add another second reef over there, so that would be another reef. The other thing is, he's wanting these trees here, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trees. They are cedar trees, 8, maybe 9. I think he said them down there too. 9, 10. So 10 cedar trees. So 10 cedar trees. These trees, I'm going to say they're anywhere from about 12 feet tall, 12 to probably 16 feet tall. And so we're going to times those by $40 a foot. That's right, $40 a foot. So actually these might be taller than 16. These are close to 20 feet right here, probably. So 20 feet right here. This one here is probably closer to 16 right here, double my size. So this one here is definitely a 20 footer. That's a 20 footer, and that's a 20 footer. So 20. So I'm gonna just tell them that they're all 20. 10 times 20, and I'm gonna times that by $40 a foot. So if that's a 20 foot tree, I'm gonna times that by $20 or by $40. And so 40 times 20 is $800. So that's an $800 tree, $800 tree. Now this tree down here is probably going to be a little less. And so that one's going to be a little less than $20 for the tree. So that is what the trees would look like and how we would bid those trees. One last thing I want to show you is the little bushes up here. So we can put lights on these bushes right here. And so we can do it a couple ways. We can think how many strands it's going to take to put on these bushes, or we can take and put how much all the bushes are going to cost. So this bush here, I'm going to say it's probably going to take a case of lights just for this bush right here. Maybe even 2 cases, because it's a long bush. So it's going to take a lot of lights here. So we get all these bushes all the way around here, right here. You can see coming around, we're going to light up all these bushes. Obviously, we're probably not going to light up those, but we can light up that bush there. That bush is going to take 2 strands. 2 strands times 30 bucks, $60, $60, $60, $60, $60. That's probably going to take 4 strands. So, you know, 4 times that is what's 4 times 40, 160. And then I'm going to put a little bush on each one of these here, a strand on this here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 strands there. So that is how we can bid a Christmas light job